body. With this one, every time you move one of those legs is one repetition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get all the way to 100. As soon as that happens, you have 30 sprints. Every time you touch a wall, it's one repetition. So there's one. You'll hustle on back. There's two. Get all the way to 30. After that, we have 100 flutter kicks. So you're going to be getting down on that mat. You're going to be lifting those legs, keeping them straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get all the way to 100. After you do that, we have 100 jump lunges. So start off with that back knee at 90, front knee at 90. Elevate. There's one. There's two. Get all the way to 100. Once you get 100 of those, we're going to continue with the 100 theme and see 100 ab slides. So on the mat, knees on the edge. Plank it out. Notice I was extending those hands. Pull the belly button in tight. Lift up your body as one piece. Don't just drop those hips. Lift up your body. After 100 ab slides, face one of those walls for 30 defensive slides. Every time you touch a wall is one repetition. Make sure you stay down. Touch that wall. Stay low. Touch that wall. There's two. Now here's where you get a little breather. We have a 1-minute plank. Use the GX, tell people to, if you see 6:15, you're going to be holding this plank to 7:15. Use that as your time marker. Next, what we have is a ground to ceiling. 30 of these. We actually want you to touch the ground, try to touch the ceiling. At least as far as you can go. After 30 ground to ceilings, we're going to do 100 diagonal mounted climbers. So watch how he crosses his body. There's one, there's two, there's three, there's four. Get all the way to 100 of those. Next, this is where it's going to get tough. We're going to start you off with 30 slurpees. So you get jumping up high into the air, you get to the ground. Once you kick your feet, there's one. There's two. When you kick your feet to the other side. Once you get to 30 of these, we're going to give you another little break. 1 minute plank. By now, the time has been ticking. And you might be close to the end of the workout. Notice how his shoulders, hips, knees all in line. Hold that for 1 solid minute. After that, stay down there for 30 straight push-ups. Now, there's no sandbag to touch your chest to. We do want full range of motion. Focus on that full range of motion. No shoulder push-ups, no bobbing for apples. We want full range of motion. After that, we will have some bicep curls. So you're going to need to grab a plate. In this case, we have super heavy plates right here. This is the only exercise you're going to need a plate for today. Notice how he uses the split stance so he can control his midsection. Your last exercise is 30 burpees. Now this is the no push-up version of the burpee. Get all the way to 30. And the very first person that finishes every single one of those repetitions, that's your true Spartan of the day. That's your Friday, Saturday workout. That's your 30 to 100 units.